Experience the pulsating energy of Station Court, an exquisite student accommodation where your heart sinks with the rhythm of life in London. Situated in the lively North London area of Tottenham, this vibrant residence welcomes you with a delightful range of luxurious ensuite apartments. All rooms at Station Court come with a comfy bed, dedicated study area with desk and chair, spacious wardrobe, lots of storage area, and your own private bathroom. Additionally, you'll also have access to a shared, fully fitted kitchen. But that's not all. Station Court goes beyond mere accommodation. Socialize and unwind in the outdoor social space and ace your academic game in the communal study area. Plus, enjoy the convenience of utility bills included in the rent and an in-house laundry service, saving you time and money. Location-wise, you're just a short stroll away from prestigious institutions like the College of Haringey and London Metropolitan University. On weekends, indulge in the culinary delights of the area, ranging from five-star establishments like Grill Restaurant to charming budget-friendly eateries like the Waterside. Station Court ensures that every aspect of city living is at your fingertips. Connectivity is a breeze with easy access to key transportation hubs, such as bus stops like Imperial Road and Imperial Wharf train station. Plus, Tottenham Hale Station connects you to London Stansted Airport in under an hour, perfect for your travel needs. Embrace the allure of Station Court and embark on your exciting journey in the majestic city of London. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.